Is your air conditioner from the Jurassic period? Is your system ancient with energy and repair costs draining your bank account? Hi, I'm Mark Pippin with Pippin Brothers Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. We're looking for the oldest air conditioner in the area. You could be the winner of a new high-efficient system valued at $3,900. To register your air conditioner or learn more, call Pippin Brothers right now at 580-248-7924. That's 248-7924. Don't miss out on this chance to win a free air conditioner. Call Pippin Brothers at 248-7924 or visit us on the web at pippinbrothers.com.